Hi friends, good evening. Once again, welcome back in Money for Me Stock Market Educational Hub. So let's come to the chart, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis for coming week. So here is the chart of Nifty 50 first of all, and we are seeing daily chart. So each candle is a 1 day. So in the last week we have seen Nifty was fallen from the resistance from this top and came down, but again in this week Nifty has given some bounce back. Okay, but if I'll click on a line chart and if I see, so as per my view Nifty is trading in one channel, and that is the downtrend channel, little bit downtrend. If I'll draw one trend line from this top to this top, from this, and then this is the bottom. So if you see, so as per my view Nifty is in one zone, but it is a descending zone, so it is in a downtrend, and right now Nifty is Nifty is trading at a resistance, that is the trend line resistance. And if we see on a candle chart, so Nifty has made a one doji, so it is a neutral near a resistance. So now we have to wait for a confirmation. So what is meant by confirmation? So confirmation means whether it is a breakout or any kind of negative pattern. Okay, if it gives a breakout, so we can bullish on a Nifty 50, and if it gives any kind of bearish signal, so we will be bearish on a Nifty 50. So right now we have to wait for some confirmation, and it is the for swing traders, not for day traders. And where is resistance and support next? So small resistance is here around, that is around 14,900, and here is a major support, that is 14,500. This is the first support, and here is a two strong support, that is around 14,300. So right now I am not a bullish and bearish on a Nifty 50 for a swing traders, so I'll wait for some confirmation. Okay, so that's confirmation. I need at least daily closing, that is Monday, Tuesday, whatever it is. So we have to wait for some confirmation. So now come to the intraday analysis. So if I'll click on a 15 minutes and zoom it out, so same scenario, Nifty is in a pipe, but if I'll zoom it, so what is the scenario here? So if we see, so Nifty was in an uptrend from this top, that is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But if you see, so Nifty has fallen down, went again up, but given a signal of little bit U-turn. So where is my resistance and supports? So here is my support, that is around 14,700. So it is a major support. Small support is around here, this bottom, small bottom. Okay, if it breaks in a Monday, on a Monday, so it will come to touch 14,700, or vice versa. Here is a small resistance, that is around 14,050, 60, whatever it is. So we need a breakout to these levels. So next resistance is around here, next resistance around here, 14,950. So again for intraday we have to wait for some confirmation. If Nifty 50 breaks this support, so we will be bearish on a Nifty 50 for intraday, or if it is a breaks resistance, so we will be bullish on a Nifty 50 till now 14,950. So again we have to wait for some confirmation. So here is again need a confirmation. But if I'll click on a line chart, candle chart, and zoom it out, so it has given us some bearish signal. But let's wait for opening of a Monday, and we need some confirmation candles of first 15 or 30 minutes. So we will wait. Okay, because confirmation is very important in a chart analysis, as well as it is good for a good winning ratio. And intraday trading rule is trade less but perfect. Okay, trade less but perfect. What is the scenario on 30 minutes? So same, if I click on a candle chart, so same scenario, it is trading near resistance. On overlay chart, again same scenario. So scenario is same because resistance is on a daily chart and we are analyzing Nifty 50 on a 15-minute chart. Okay, so we need a confirmation for intraday as well. Now come to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. So here is the Bank Nifty and I am going to daily chart. So here is a daily chart. So in the last to last week we have seen Nifty Bank has given a breakout to cup with handle pattern. Here is a cup and here is a handle. So it has worked as per the cup with handle, but right now again Bank Nifty has came down and taking a support from same levels. Okay, and as per the weekly chart I am bullish on a Nifty Bank. I am bullish on a Nifty Bank. Okay, because it has taken support from the same levels, as well as if we click on a weekly chart, so it has made two penny tops near a support, as well as it has given a breakout and sustain above this resistance support. Sorry. Okay, so Bank Nifty ने यहाँ पे सपोर्ट के आगे ट्रेड करना शुरू कर दिया है and it is taking support from the same levels. Okay, अगर बैंक निफ्टी को अप ट्रेंड में कन्वर्जन चाहिए, सो इट शुड बी break to these levels, that is 13,800, 33,800, not 30,000, 33,800. So अगर बैंक निफ्टी इस लेवल को ब्रेक कर देता है, so we will be bullish on a banking stocks or a banking sector. Okay, because bank nifty was in a downtrend from this top, and bank nifty has broken to this trend line and again came down. Okay, but it has taken support from this top. Okay, that was a cup with handle top. So we have to wait for some confirmation. So riskers can take buy call on a bank nifty. It is not recommendation, it is just my view, so you have to add your own analysis. Okay, so I am bullish on a bank nifty to till these levels, that is 33,800, and stop loss will be below this support. If bank nifty come down and close below this support, so you have to close your position or you have to square up your position. So bank nifty यहाँ से और 1000 पॉइंट्स ऊपर जा सकता है and support around its 32,100. So यहाँ पे I am bullish on a bank nifty, but it is a swing for a swing traders, not a day traders. Guys, listen carefully. Now come to the 15 minutes, 15 मिनट के चार्ट पे आते हैं and then click on a line chart. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लाइन चार्ट लगाता हूँ, so यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूँ, so बैंक निफ्टी वॉज इन अ वन बुलिश ट्रायंगल. यहाँ से एक बुलिश ट्रायंगल के अंदर बैंक निफ्टी था. ओके, here was a bullish triangle and bank nifty has given a breakout to this triangle. Okay, gap up open होके बैंक निफ्टी ने यहाँ पे bullish triangle को breakout किया, but again यहाँ पे correction आया, बैंक निफ्टी नीचे आया and it has taken support from the same levels and it is sustaining above this support. एक flat zone दिखाई दे रहा है, so it is a support and बैंक निफ्टी has support sustaining above this support. So यहाँ से एक कोई भी confirmation मिलता है अगर मुझे कल सुबह, that is Monday morning, so I will be bullish on a bank nifty for a intraday perspective as well. Okay, so it is a view on a bank nifty. So I am a bullish on a bank nifty for a swing trading, but I will wait for a day trading. I will take some confirmation. Okay, if bank nifty breaks this support, so I will be bearish on a bank nifty and vice versa. I hope friends आपको एनालिसिस पसंद आएगा और आपके ट्रेडिंग के अंदर आपको हेल्पफुल होगा. So please like our video, share our video and subscribe our channel. If you are a day trader, so you can join our Telegram channel. Link as mentioned in our description box as well as in our introduction. So here is our Telegram channel link. So we are posting here a live market trades on a equity, options, nifty, bank nifty, whatever it is. So you can subscribe our channel as well. So bye bye friends, good night, take care.